Hi everyone, so for today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to be hosting a 50 Polkadoodle button giveaway. So in this case here, I have 50 Polkadoodle Flair buttons. I've done this before with Halloween buttons on my Instagram, so I thought I'd do another one here for my YouTube subscribers. And so in this case, I have 50 Winnie buttons. So there's a combination of 1-inch Flair buttons, and then right here on the bottom right here, these are 1 1/4 inch Flair buttons. So you got a mixture of mermaid, Halloween, a few Christmas ones. These are like the Winter Wonderland theme, so like the Alice in Wonderland theme. And then these two are the same, they're just different sizes. And this one, I believe they're called January on the Polkadoodles website. And yeah, so you can win this entire case of Flair buttons. I also added a fun little charm on the side. It's magnetic, so you can actually change this out if you want. And then you'll also win a custom button mirror. So you can see it's a mirror. All you have to do is just go on my Instagram account and select which image you want me to put on the mirror. And so all you need to do, I'll put all the information to enter the giveaway in my description box. So what you need to do is just be a subscriber here on my YouTube channel. If you have an Instagram account, just add that Instagram account name on your comment. What you need to do basically is create a favor. It can be any type of favor. I love favors. It's one of my favorites. You can use it with a die or without a die. And if you do a tutorial on how you created a favor, that would count as an extra entry. So that would be 2 entries right there. If you do have an Instagram account and you post a photo on your Instagram, that would be counted as a 3rd entry. So you can have a chance to have 3 entries for this giveaway. So on the video, just tag me on it and then title the video LLS, which is Live, Love, Scrap, button giveaway. I apologize, it's only for US only. The giveaway will end at the end of this month, which is September 30th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. And I will announce the winner the following day, which is October 1st. So again, I'll put all the information in the description box down below. I hope you guys enter, and I'd love to see your favors. And again, you will win this entire case of 50 Polkadoodle Flair buttons, along with a custom button mirror. And I can't wait to see your entries. So thanks for watching. Bye.